Want to remove your dip or gel products in just minutes? I can show you how with this Vivid Glamco Blank Slate Remover Gel. So here I'm just going to be removing a little bit of rubber-based gel that I did not properly apply. So I just filed this down as much as I could safely do without hitting my natural nail, and now I'm just applying a generous layer of this jelly-like product onto the nail. Then I waited 3 minutes on the dot, and then I'm going to go in with my cuticle pusher and start removing the product. You definitely want to try to avoid getting this product on your skin, and I'm using a gentle motion when I am scraping this product off. You shouldn't be really prying this off the nail, otherwise you can do some damage. So at this point, I got down pretty far with the first layer, but I could see that I was going to start actually pulling it too hard off the nail. So I'm going to go in now with a second layer. So I'm just going to put another generous layer, wait another 3 minutes, and then that's going to be it. After those 3 minutes, I can go in now with my pusher, and you can see the product just kind of flies right off the nail, and that is it. 2 quick layers, 6 minutes total, and everything is completely off the nail, and I am ready to go in with some fresh product.